Hey guys, welcome back to another Greek How To. So today I'll be teaching you on how to create a professional and personalized logo using Canva. So Canva is a great tool to create a logo even if you have zero design experience. So we're going to learn how to create a logo and learn the important things when designing a logo using Canva. So first is you have to open your Canva application or open your web browser, and of course you have to log in to your Canva account. So now that you're here, using the search bar, try to search for logo. Okay, and then wait for a few seconds, and all of the templates that is available for logo, you'll be able to see it right here. So this pictures are here, these files are from my folder, so you just have to click on the templates. Okay, that's right. And then right here, you'll be able to see the different logo templates that you can use in deciding on what kind of logo you're going to create. So to be specific, let's go back to the search bar at the top and try to add a specific words for this logo. So for example, logo for YouTube or logo for your YouTube thumbnail. So let me just delete the thumbnail word and then click on enter. Then after that, you'll be able to see here bunch of templates that you can use for your YouTube channel. And as you can see, some of the templates has the crown logo right here. So it means that you can use this logo if you are subscribed to the Canva Pro. So you have to click on the Canva Pro and proceed to the payment in order to access all of the template that has the crown logo. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm just going to use a free logo template. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this simple logo template and then click on the customize this template. And then the template will load. And right here, when you click on the logo, you can still change it anytime. So the easiest way to do that is to toggle over to the left hand side and you can quickly view some additional design options. But for this, tutorial, I'm just going to use this simple one. So you'd be able to understand the steps and the techniques and how you can build a professional logo. Okay, so you also have your different customized logo that you can use. So now let's start to edit this or customize this logo right here. So you just have to click on the text. And if you want to use this kind of font style, so you just have to delete the words and then replace it with the text of your YouTube channel. So the name of our YouTube channel is Quick How To. So let me just type out Quick How To. And then here at the background logo or the background letters, so you just have to click on it to change the letter and then type out the letter of your YouTube channel. So for example, Q for quick, and then for the second letter will be H for how. Okay, and then just have to arrange it to specify or to make the letters visible to your eyes. Okay, so don't forget to click on the text, and you can change the color of the text as well as the font style if you don't like the default one. So just click on this one right here, and then you'll be able to see here different options that you can use for your font style. So remember that anyone who has access to Canva also has access to your logo design. So you want to customize it and personalize it as much as possible. So one of the best ways to do that is by adjusting the color palette. And then my favorite way to explore with color is to come here to the left hand side and select the palettes. And here there are pre-selected color palettes that you can choose from. So if you want to go ahead and select one of these color palettes, you can still make edits of it. And then for example, if you decide you don't like the color for this one, then you can keep it and then just have to change the background to highlight the important text for your logo. And then you can also change the background color So remember, if you are using a free Canva and not a Canva Pro, so there are limitations, of course. So if you want to upgrade to access all of the features, you have to subscribe to the Canva Pro. So let me just quickly change the background color and arrange the logo or the text. Okay, so right here, maybe I am going to use this background color right here. Okay, or I'm just going to use the styles or the color palettes. So it's up to you. You have to explore and then find the perfect color for your logo. Okay, so now let's proceed and explore some of the other ways that you can customize for your logo. Okay, so by clicking here on the elements, you can add lines, shapes, graphics, stickers, and etc. So right here, let me try to go to the shapes and try to use this line. Okay, so you can adjust the size of the line or the length of the line. So just like this one, let's go to the shapes and then use this plain line. So you can also go to the shapes where you can use the star shape or use a triangle one. So let me add a straight line and duplicate it. And so say for example, this is the design that we want to. So after that, one of the cool features about Canva is the brand hub. So this is only available if you have a Canva Pro. So if you do have access to the brand hub, you can save your logo and use it seamlessly for other projects that you can design in Canva. So by adding your brand logo, and you can even set a color palette. So for the use in the future, as well as fans and frequently use photos and graphics. So if you have any images or files that you want to upload to your logo, so go ahead and click on the upload. So right here you can upload images, videos, or even audio files. So next, let's click on the text right here. So if you want to add additional text to your logo, you can go ahead and click here. So you can also different textiles right here that you can use. So just go ahead and add a little bit of body text. So for this logo, I don't want to add any text. So let me just click on this arrow right here. Or you can simply click on the text and click on the trash can option to delete that specific text. Okay. And if you have a more creative ways in you than I do, so you can go ahead to the draw button. Then here you can draw your own design and add it to your logo. And then once you're happy with the way your logo looks, so you just want to go ahead and saved it. So you can save it by clicking on the start option at the top and click on download. So right here, you have to select the PNG option. So that is the recommended file type for this one. So you can also upload it using the transparent background or compress the lower quality, but you can access these two options over here if you have subscribed to the Canva Pro. So if not, then you can still download this, but of course without the transparent background and compress to the lower quality. So now just click on download and then you just have to wait for a few seconds and then you have to select the folder where you want to save your downloaded photos or downloaded logo in Canva. So once you have downloaded this logo to your computer, you can use it in any application. So you can upload it to your PowerPoint or even drop that logo to a Microsoft Word. So right here, you just have to continue to your logo within Canva. So you can go back to the Canva homepage. And then if you want to start a new design, you just have to insert your logo and then go up here and create a design. And so you can start creating something new using the logo and then click on add to template. Okay, then you just have to wait for a few seconds and then right here you want to click on create a new design. And for example, I want to use this logo for a Facebook post, so you just have to click on this one right here And then after that, you'd be redirected to this empty page. So you will then just have to click on the upload option. So this one, and then be able to see your logo. So you just have to select your logo and then you have to resize it accordingly. So if you want to place it in any side of the page, you can do this, and you can also crop the logo. Now you just have to drag it up here and then resize your logo. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.